At Bagram Airfield, Afghanistan, there is a place that wants to know about your tactical problems. The forward team of the U.S. Army Rapid Equipping Force, or REF, wants soldiers to bring their ideas regarding equipment on how to accomplish their missions more efficiently. REF's mission provides innovative material solutions to meet the urgent requirements of U.S. Army forces employed globally, informs material development for the future force, and on order expands to meet the operational demands. Its focus is on immediate need material solutions at the small unit level. The REF team in Bagram offers the capability of rapid prototyping through the Expeditionary Lab, or X-Lab. The engineers in the X-Lab are capable of taking a soldier's concern and, if feasible, fabricating the solution through 3D printing, sewing, machining, or electrical work. The X-Lab is equipped with design software and other limited metal bending capability, among other things. Depending on what it is, these new products can be made in limited quantities to equip soldiers.
We provide material solutions for urgent requirements to the warfighter. And that breaks down the warfighter being defined as U.S. Army soldiers, forward deployed, that have that need, have that requirement. And then we try to paint that picture for them that, you know, there's a lot of capabilities that reside within this building, in the organization. The X-Lab I like to refer to as the ability, if you need something here and now and rapidly produced, if you have an idea, a problem, and you think you have a solution in your head, you can sit down and talk with our engineers, and there's a good chance they're going to be able to design something, not only design it, but prototype it and give it to you for some operational feedback.
The REF, headquartered at Fort Belvoir, Virginia, started in 2002 after soldiers realized the need for non-standard equipment to meet the demands of their wartime mission. The X-Lab has reach-back ties with the U.S. Army Research, Development, and Engineering Command for its expertise and additional manufacturing capabilities. The REF is the Army's quick reaction capability for getting urgent material solutions in the hands of warfighters. It's able to do this using a request document known as a 10-liner, where soldiers capture the requirements and submit. Sometimes the need is met with commercial and government off-the-shelf technologies. In Afghanistan, soldiers are able to present an idea or problem to X-Lab engineers. If approved, they will design and fabricate a solution to meet a soldier's needs.
This is the only job that I'm aware of where an engineer can get a requirement directly from the warfighter and give them something that goes out the next day on a mission, and then immediately get feedback and be able to keep the warfighter in the design loop. You can imagine it, then we can make it for you. The capabilities that we have here are broad-ranging. Even though we use a lot of 3D printing, we can do traditional metal parts, we can do electronics fabrication, we can do programming. There's a lot of capability here, so if you have an innovative new requirement, we can get you to yes, one way or another.
Rapid equipment means procuring and delivering non-standard equipment. REF's goal is fill a requirement within 180 days. The X-Lab typically produces a solution in less than 30 days, sometimes in just a few days. Locations and manning requirements for the REF has varied during the last 16 years. The REF also has forward teams in Kuwait and Iraq. Since 2002, many new technologies have been equipped to help accomplish the mission more efficiently. Current projects include persistent duration unmanned aerial systems, electronic warfare, unmanned and counter-unmanned aerial systems, expeditionary force protection, and so much more. On January 30th, 2014, the Army declared the REF as an enduring capability. It now reports to the Army's Training and Doctrine Command, where it will continue to support soldiers deployed globally for years to come.
So when you're trying to solve unique problems, you need a custom solution. And that's what we do here at the Expeditionary Laboratory. We're a custom prototype integration facility. Practically almost all these projects someone walks in on, I would have never thought, because I have no prior military experience. I've always been an engineer. Some of the things they come up with are so innovative and creative, but not reliable. You know, it's kind of thrown together. But a lot of times people make it work. I mean, we're the U.S. Army. We make it work. If we don't have something, we're going to make it work.
To learn more, go to this website. In Afghanistan, contact the REF and X-Lab at. For Army Public Affairs at Bagram Airfield, Afghanistan, I'm John Michael Connor.